Hi, welcome to part 3 of this DevOps migration series, focusing on using Talos to take your applications and configurations to the cloud. In this video, we'll take what we've built so far in terms of templating our applications and configurations, managing our existing middleware infrastructure, and create a new platform hosted in the cloud using Talos. So the first thing we need to do is create our target environment. Now, to do that, we could click Create, give it an environment name, and a middleware. And we need to select WebSphere Manage Cell. And then start populating the topology here. So we need a deployment manager, a managed node, we need a cluster. But actually, you know what? What we actually want to do is replicate our existing environment. So we won't do that. We will take our existing environment and we'll create a clone of it. Now, this gets rid of the connection details to the previous environment, the existing host name, because we know that at the very least that needs to be different in this environment. But actually, we're not going to use any of this. What we're going to do is create a cloud instance. So I've selected Amazon Web Services. I'm not using an existing instance. I'm creating a new one. And then I need to make some choices about the type of instance that I want to create. So I have a custom AMI. I want my instance type to be a T2 small. I have a key pair name, and I want to use this subnet. And I need to go and do the same then for the node. And we can save those changes. And now we have our cloud prod environment here for us. Now, this is only logical at the moment. It only exists within Talos. So the first thing we need to do is build out that environment. So again, over to Jenkins. Jenkins has created for us a cloud prod dictionary build project, which will do the initial build out of that environment. So it will instantiate the EC2 instances, it will install WebSphere on them, etc. So now the build's completed, we can see that that environment's been built, and we can go and check the console. Console's there, we can log in with our credentials, and we can see that we've got an environment built. It's got a cluster created, but there's no applications deployed yet. So with that build completed, all we need to do now is add the template that we'd created before into this middleware, and add in the variables, and then we can just execute that configure project to deploy the template, the applications, the configuration to that server and get it to the same level as the existing prod. So with that job now complete, we can just go and make sure that that application's been installed and is running, and it has. So we can just go and check that the application works, and it does. So in the next video, we're going to show a slightly different method of cloud migration, and that's refactoring your existing application to a microservice architecture and deploying to a Docker container to take advantage of the benefits that containerization brings. Thanks for watching.